If for any reason you want to delete your Claude account, I'm going to walk you through the simple steps that you need to take to delete your Claude AI account. Guys, welcome back to Learn AI, and if you're new, special welcome to you. Now, how do we do this? Just simply click the profile on the lower left hand side. Once you're there, click on settings, and on the left hand side, you want to click an account. Now, you will see the option to delete your account, and all you have to do is simply click on delete account. You'll have this pop-up which basically said you understand what's going to happen, that your account will be deleted permanently. And if you agree, just go ahead and click on I understand, and you will be able to delete your account. So you want to ensure that this is what you want to do. Your account will be deleted permanently, and once that is done, there will be no way out to recover your account or conversations data within that. So you will have to go ahead and create a brand new account afterwards. But if this is what you want to do, just simply click I understand, proceed, and you'll be able to delete your account. And that's it.